What is up, guys? Today I will show you how to set up your scooter, how to change the settings in the app. And currently I have Ninebot MAX G2 here. I have the Ninebot Segway app, and I will show you what kind of settings do you have. So actually here is your scooter. It's the latest version of Ninebot app right now. It's connected by Bluetooth. You see the Bluetooth indicator. So firstly, you can click here and you will see the battery capacity, the current charging, current temperature, and other information about battery maintenance, serial number, and as you see, even number of charging cycle can be set up here. So it's 139 times remaining capacity. Actually, quite nice to have is this indicator here. A battery production time, number of deep discharge. So actually, as you see, this battery is quite well. Although you can check out this power button here, so you can turn on, turn off your scooter. You can have the dashboards, which indicate the current status of the scooter. Also, you can set the password. You can check about the vehicle. Walk mode can be activated here. Energy recovered, like strong, weak, or disabled, can be set here. For the settings, so you have the walk mode, energy recovery mentioned, charging limit. Actually, you can set up from 80 to 100 charging limit. It's also quite convenient to have it. Custom settings of the sport mode can be selected, so the acceleration can be maximum speed, normal, or energy saving. Although you have the locking function here, so you can lock your scooter or unlock. Abnormal alert can be activated, so in case of visual alarm, the scooter will ring. Segway Mobility Lab, so here we have TCS or traction control system, which keep vehicles steady in a slippery road, also quite good to have. Vehicle location, so it provides the location celebration based on the IP address. I don't know why it's using, for example, I will adjust right now to my location. I don't think it's changed anything, but you can adjust it. Maybe something new will appear, not for me. And device information, so serial number, total mileage, vehicle temperature, battery, master control, Bluetooth. Also, you can check the update firmware here. So actually, that's how simple you can use the Ninebot Segway app to set up your Ninebot MAX G2.